Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is EdTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very interesting and important because we are going to discuss about one of the important topic, that is regarding TCS shutting down their office. Will it impact 1000 employees or not? We will also discuss about the Hire Act that was going to be imposed into US, which will be applying a lot of tax, that is around 25% on companies in the US which are outsourcing from Indian companies. And the US, EU, and other countries are following a 3-day work week. They are planning to soon implement 3 days work week. Why? We are going to discuss that. And on the contrary part, Indians are stuck at 10 hours per day. So we will discuss everything in detail. Please watch this video till the very end. Let us move forward. The number one thing is that please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that. And don't forget to share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. Let us go towards the first topic. As you all know that we have already created a video about fluidity list in TCS, and we have received a lot of overwhelming response, a lot of comments, a lot of queries also in that particular video. So if you have not watched that video, then please go ahead and watch it so that you will be aware about the things that are happening in the IT industry. Second important topic that we are going to discuss is regarding, you might already know that different companies are setting up their offices in tier 2 cities, and TCS is one of them. TCS has already set up their office in Bhopal, Ahmedabad, Patna, Lucknow, Bhubaneswar, Kochi, and Indore. These are all tier 2 cities which are now transitioning towards tier 1, or tier 3 which are transitioning towards tier 2. So these companies are setting up their offices, but TCS now it is doing something which is not expected by a lot of people, right? What they're doing, they are now shutting down their office in Bhopal. Now they have not mentioned the exact reason why they are setting up this particular operation facility in Bhopal, because it was into a business center. Okay, there was a business center, a mall kind of thing. In that they had set up their office in Bhopal, right, in Madhya Pradesh, and that is the reason a lot of employees who are working from Bhopal, they approached Deputy CM Jagdish Devda. Okay, you might already know that this is the person who is the Deputy CM, and Deputy CM Jagdish Devda wrote to TCS CEO that please reconsider the decision and continue operations in Bhopal, because around 1000 employees will be impacted because of this decision. Either they will have to relocate to either Indore or Pune or something which is near to them, right? So something like this will be affecting a lot of people, like 1000 employees, particularly working from Bhopal. Next important thing is coming from, you might not recognize this guy, but he is the CEO of Zoom application, right? You might have already used Zoom application, right, for web call, web meetings, and other things, right? So he's Eric Yuan, right, predicted that AI chatbots and agents will bring about a 3 or 4 day work week, where he agreed and accepted the things where Bill Gates and Jensen Huang and Jamie Dimon, who is JP Morgan Chase CEO, Bill Gates again you already know, right, Jensen Huang, who is an Nvidia CEO, all these people along with Eric Yuan are predicting that AI chatbots and AI things will be helping a lot of employees, lot of people who are leveraging it, and they will be only able to work 3 to 4 day a week, which is a good thing, so that they will get more time for their hobbies, their family, and their health and their food. Okay, all those things. But some people may find themselves free all the week, as the tech leader admitted that some jobs will be erased in this process, and this is quite true. So it is a good time right now to start upskilling, start looking for opportunities wherein you can use AI, you can leverage it so that you can reduce your own work and you can increase the productivity, right? Next thing is coming from work. Okay, so this basically I wanted to highlight that countries like US and UK, they are asking, okay, employees to reduce the working hours. Their employees are like requesting the government to make it 3 hours for 4 day work week, right? In France also, in some cities they have passing the bill for 4 day work week, right? And in some countries like Denmark and other things, they are having around 4 days, 4.5 days work week also, right? But if you look at government in India, particularly Maharashtra, Karnataka, okay, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, they are proposing for 10 hours a day. Okay, what will it be? So for IT employees, for service based industries, they are asking for 10-hour work rule, wherein employees will have to work one more hour. That is, right now they are working for 8 hours plus 1 hour, they get 45 minutes lunch break and 15 minutes break. Okay, but now they are proposing 10 hours, wherein you will have to work 9 hours every day. Now this might be good decision for big companies, okay, because they will be getting more time of the people, right? They will be able to work, they will be able to make people work for more time, which can basically result in good profits for the company. Next important thing is regarding the Hire Act. Now, a lot of people are worried because of this, because we already created a video on this particular topic. What are the pros and cons of the Hire Act in USA? Now, Trump is mad on India because India is buying cheap Russian oil, and a lot of things are happening between India, China, and Russia, which is impacting Trump's decision. And he mentioned that India will be imposed. India or countries like India, which are outsourcing, US companies are outsourcing basically from India and other Vietnam and other companies. They want to impose a 25% tax on all these companies, right? But a recent survey, a recent report by one of the researchers, Judge Bardia, mentioned that Hire Act may not pass muster. Okay, it will not pass in the assembly. Why? Because it will hurt US companies more than the Indian companies if it gets approved. Now, this is a big relief for a lot of employees who are basically working in companies where the projects are from USA. Okay, so this means that if some company is giving projects to India, they will not have to impose, like they will not have to pay around 25% tax, okay, because of this Hire Act, which will not get passed. Okay, so I hope that all the news are very essential and very important. So please make sure that you like this video, share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry, so that they also get to know all the updates about the IT industry and the latest trends in the IT sector. Thank you and have a great day.